The Winnipeg COVIDscape. Winnipeg, not a very exciting city. Good city, but anyway, this is pretty exciting. Take a look at this. Okay, come here. Me. What is this?
Dirt.
Nope. What is this? Right here.
A worm.
Worm poop.
Worm poop.
Why is your daddy playing with worm poop?
I know.
Well, maybe we will know soon. Oh, are you serious?
I don't really like the smell.
Well, it does smell quite disgusting.
Yeah, I'll bet yours doesn't smell like roses.
Anyway, guess what we're talking about today? What are we talking about, man?
Teeth.
No, we're talking about plants. Learning stuff.
What's Rizky?
Now, what we're doing today is springtime, symbol of life here. These are my plants we're going to replant today. We're going to replant, we've got some basil.
Do you see this one? This one is the big plant.
What is that plant?
I don't really know.
It is the hottest chili in the world.
Yeah, and it's gonna grow.
And it's going to grow, and then you're going to eat it, right?
Okay. Only if I'm an adult.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this, but I'm gonna.
Because that chili is the Carolina Reaper, and it will blow your head off. Actually, it'll blow my head off. It'll blow our heads off.
These are the other plants.
Okay.
These are the other plants. You can touch them, but they're not even venomous.
Venomous. Now, I want you to tell me, what do you know about plants?
I know plants, to grow plants, you need seeds.
Yeah, plants grow from seeds.
And you also need water and sunlight so it can grow.
That's right. Now, I want you to tell me, why are bees, you're a big fan of bees, right?
Yeah.
Okay, why are bees helpful? How are bees helpful to plants?
They go to flowers and they get the pollen and put them on the other dirt so it can make more plants.
Why do flowers have color?
Because different kind of seeds have different kind of colors inside of them.
Uh-huh.
And then when they grow, you see different kind of colors.
Uh-huh. Okay. But actually, plants, flowers in particular, are very colorful. Like trees. Who cares, you know, they're brown and they're green. But flowers have many different colors because they need to attract certain animals to take their pollen. Now, we were talking, you were mentioning your favorite plant, maybe, you know, the Venus flytrap. What does a Venus flytrap do?
It eats other things.
Mm-hmm.
It eats alive things, like, you know, like ladybugs and anything.
Yeah.
Or even bees. Bees cannot get eaten, actually.
No? Why can't bees get eaten?
Because they have stingers.
Oh yeah, so they'll sting the plant.
Yeah. But the Venus flytrap has, like, you know, food. And then, you know, when the flame flytraps are really good for eating, like, you know, like flies.
Mm-hmm.
But also bad stuff. They could eat frogs.
Mm-hmm. They could eat you.
Nah, they're not really that big.
Yeah. Well, if it was a giant Venus flytrap, it could eat you.
Like this size?
No, bigger than that.
Or like this size?
Well, maybe like this size.
Plants are are dangerous. Some plants are dangerous, some plants are not.
Mm-hmm.
Like a vase flytrap, it's really it's like these flytraps can kill you.
Yeah.
Like a giant one can kill you.
Yeah, he'd eat you right up, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
He's like walk into your house, chomp, gone, right?
Actually, plants don't walk.
Ah! There's no plants that walk?
No.
Not even one.
No.
You're right. Plants don't walk.
You know, trees are not really plants.
What? Trees are not plants? What?
Trees are like really big. Bigger than a plant.
Yeah. Well, trees have a hard covering. Do you know what that's called? The outside of the tree?
Wood chips. There's wood chips.
Well, it is. Yeah. Wood chips is when you chop all that stuff up. It's called bark. That's like the skin of the tree. You remember when Daddy punched down a tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
You were like punching it so hard
Yeah.
that and then it fell.
Yeah. No, banana trees are pretty weak, actually. I mean, they don't have bark, so they don't have that strong outside. They're more like what you would think is a plant, you know? They've got kind of a stem, but they don't really have a hard skin like a bark.
Yeah.
That's how I could punch through it.
Trees are important. You know, like the leaves are to give us air.
Oh, yeah. You got it, man. And that's why trees and plants are so important, because what they do is they take in carbon dioxide from the air and they give off oxygen, which we can breathe.
Yeah.
That's right. That's why it's so important to have lots of trees. And Winnipeg's got a lot of trees. Now, there's two different kinds of trees. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ha! What are the two? What?
Apple trees and grape trees.
No. First of all, there's no such thing as a grape tree. There's some trees that, you know, like these, like the Christmas tree type trees, that they have needles. They don't have leaves, they have needles.
Yeah.
And pine cones?
Yeah.
Okay, so those are called coniferous trees.
Yeah.
And they're very different. They don't have leaves, they have the needles, and they grow in colder places. And the other kind of trees are the regular trees that have leaves, the deciduous trees. Okay, so here we go. We've repotted the chili. So what's going to happen is it's going to spend a month digging its roots into the new soil. And then after 1 month, it's going to suddenly shoot up.
It's right.
What? You know?
I'm supposed to do it.
Oh, you smell the worm poop.
Yeah.
So you don't like worm poop?
No, I don't like worm.
You don't want worm poop soup for dinner?
Ah!